Hi everybody, I just want to show you through the van, show you what we've been doing the last few months. Done a few upgrades to the van, especially the fridge. What we've done, we've got rid of the little three-way gas fridge, little 90-litre gas fridge. The fridge used to be somewhere here with a microwave and everything above it, so we've pulled all that out, re-modified that and put this fridge in. So the Samsung digital inverter fridge, they're sort of, newer technology, I suppose. Works really well so far. It's a 240 volt fridge, still running through an inverter. It's a 318 litre freezer. So it's quite a big fridge. So it'll give us a hell of a lot more room. Been testing it for the last month or so. Really good so far. The test will be when it gets up in the heat and the road conditions, but yeah, so far so good. It's worked really well. Can't fault it at the moment, but we've only just done it recently. I've done a big upgrade. Lithium batteries, 1000 watts of solar. So yeah, run. Don't know if you can see that down here. I have Victron solar controllers, 3 of them. And I have 3 separate arrays coming in, 3 sets of wires coming in through an isolator switch, through the controllers, to the batteries, through some fuses, into our lithium batteries. 200 lithium batteries. I don't know if you can see this, might be a bit dark in here. There's a Victron, also a Victron shunt. Everything runs through that on the earth side. Tells you what's going in, what's going out of it. And the DC to DC charger. So when the vehicle's running, it can charge the batteries as well. And then obviously a little inverter here that's plugged in, which I've got to move that around, but that's purely runs the fridge. And then we have a lithium 240 volt charger, so we can still charge the batteries if we're parked up on mains. And then also have a bigger inverter over here to run appliances if we need to, whatever we want. But yeah, so far so good. It seems to be working quite well. I just got the Victron meter here, tells you what's going in, what's going out of it. Yeah, I thought I'd just show that before I put everything back together. You might be able to see it, it'll be tucked under the bed. We have a power point and USB hooked up to the inverter, so you can charge stuff or run your kitchen appliances stuff on that.